Open Keil IDE. Here click on the project. Next click on the new microvision project. Here if you already have a folder, add, otherwise create it. Here I am creating a folder. For that right click, go to new, click on folder. Now I am giving the folder name as Keil projects. You can give your own folder name. Next on that, here we have to give the file name. Now we have, here I am giving as sample. Now we have to add the device. I am adding LPC 2129. Okay. Now it's asking copy startup code. We have to add this file to our project. So click yes. Now we have to create the project. Now go to file, click new. Now we have to save this file. For that again go to file, click save as. No, magnifier, I think it's not working. Okay, again go to file, save as. Here we have to give extension. Here I am giving prog1.c. okay, now we have to add this file to our source group. Now click on source group 1. Here click on add existing file. Now click on add. Okay, it's added. Now I'm writing the code to the reference. Here you can skip for some time. Whenever if we see that red mark, that means there is an error on that code. Okay, now we have to build a target. That it means if there is any errors or warning, that shows. That means we are running that code. We have two options, either in project or we can click on here. I think debug is not working. Let me show. We can click on that symbol also. Wait a second. Okay, project, yeah, stop debugging session. Okay, yeah, now memory. The memory starts at 0x0000. So now LPC21 here, yeah, hello world. Next to RAM memory starts at 0x4000000. Here I am running the code one by one. Let me open magnifier. Magnifier now also not working. Okay, here you can see I'm running one by one. Here it's showing it right. So the RAM memory starts at 0x4 000 and the ROM starts at 0x 8 zeros. Now if you want to if you want to add one more code, we have to log this file. For that I'm right clicking and we have to remove that mark, include in target build. Next to OK. Here now we logged. Again we have to add. If we want to add, again go to file and add. Save. Now I'm giving prog.2.c extension. Here same. Thank you.